Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and also hope you're getting on with your preps. On today's video I thought I'd show you how to make a simple mallet out of a down tree with no airs and graces, a couple of basic tools. So if you come with us I'll show you what we're doing. Right, so what we're after is a fallen tree. We're looking for something about, I'd say 2 to 3 inches in diameter with a good sturdy branch coming off it so we can use as a handle. I think this should just do the job. I think that looks about right, that does. Okay guys, this looks to be ideal. It's a good 3 inches in diameter with a good thick branch to use as a handle. So what I'll do, I'll cut some of this back. I'll bring you in a bit closer to show you what I'm doing. Okay guys, this is the bit I'm after and I want to use that branch as the handle there. So cut some of this back. So that's the handle that I want because it's nice and sturdy and thick. Like I'm saying, this is a good 3 inches in diameter. So what I'm going to cut here and I'm going to cut there. Let's cut this off first. But as you can see, I've cut through this, I've cut that loose. What we'll do, we'll take this back to camp, we'll trim all these off and I'll show you the rest of the project. Right, as you can see, this is the tree that we cut. What we're after is that thicker branch there. Alright, so we'll cut all these extremities off and trim this down. So I want a slightly longer handle to be able to get some swing on it. And there we have it. No airs and graces. Just a simple mallet. What I'll do, I'll knock up a 10 peg and I'll show you banging into the ground. Right, so like I say, I've just carved a simple 10 peg, nothing fancy, and just show you how effective this is. Like I say, I've rounded off the ends to make sure it doesn't split out. And what you can do with this as well, you can also round off the ends to stop this from splitting out. Like I say, you can see how effective that is. It hasn't damaged the end, anything like that. There's some good weight to it. And that's it. A nice simple mallet to make out in the woods. Now there are other ways of doing it. This is just one way, just a simple way. But normally what you can do, if you get a thicker bit of timber, you can actually saw cut, stop cutting all the way around and then chisel the end out. So you make this thinner as a handle to hold, and that way you use that as a mallet to knock in. There is advantage because you're not going with the grain of the wood, you're going against it, so it doesn't damage, doesn't split out that way. but that's a project for it's a bit more involved. You just need to take a bit more time, as this took, I don't know what, a couple of minutes to do, a couple of cuts, tidy it up, and that's it. I think the longest, it took longer to make the peg than it did to make this. So yeah. So guys, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, it'd be brilliant. If you want to check us out on Instagram and Facebook, would be great, because like I say, we try to post on a regular basis. Also, check out our store, Birch and Ember, because we've got a lot of handcrafted items on there that we've done. Myself and my friend have done them. We'd like saying we do strops, candles, hand finished carving knives, etc. So check us out. All right, guys. Well, stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.